We're going to assemble the Hexagon Stool. There are 5 pieces. This is the base, side walls. There are 3 support pieces for the center, and there's 1 hexagon-shaped top. The first thing you need to do is take the double-sided tape and put it on the inside across from the flap. That's so we can bring the 2 sides together to make the hexagon shape. Take the backing off the tape and bring the tab side together with the flat side. Tape it together. Push down on the tape to make sure that it's nicely secured. Next thing you should do is fold down the flaps on the top and the bottom. The flaps are scored on the inside of the cardboard. We'll do the bottom. The flaps on the bottom are larger than the flaps on the top. After that's done, take your 3 support pieces. The piece with the larger hole in the middle is the base. Take one of the smaller pieces and slide it through. Make a bend. Do the same thing with the second piece. So now you have 6 points to fit in the hexagon shape. Now fold the cardboard a little bit to make sure it's easy to get into the hexagon. And stretch out each point so the shape fills out. I'm going to turn it over to the bottom to make sure these points are all fitting on this side too. Okay, now I'm going to turn it back to the top and take the top piece, fold the tabs in, give them a nice strong fold so they don't pop out. Then put the top into the base, one side at a time. Push it down nice and tight so it's sturdy. And there you have your hexagon stool.